Hello, I'm Irvin, and in this video I'll be discussing the key considerations to keep in mind when choosing a web hosting provider for an e-learning platform. The technology and infrastructure involved with websites and e-learning platforms are complex and require careful thought when choosing a provider. That's why I'd like to introduce you to UltaHost, the ultimate web hosting provider designed specifically for educational platforms. So if you're wondering how to select the best hosting plan for your learning site, stay tuned as we explore all the features of UltaHost. Web hosting for e-learning platforms. Key considerations. When choosing a web hosting company for an e-learning platform, it's important to consider a variety of factors to ensure a seamless user experience and optimal performance. UltaHost, a leading web hosting company for e-learning platforms, offers a range of key considerations to keep in mind when making your decision. First and foremost, reliability is crucial when it comes to e-learning platforms. UltaHost's powerful and reliable servers provide maximum uptime and ensure that your users can access your content at all times without any interruptions. This can be particularly important for e-learning platforms where students may be studying remotely and depend on constant access to course materials. Another important factor to consider is security. UltaHost offers state-of-the-art security protocols to protect your platform against cyber threats and data breaches, so you can rest assured that your students' personal information and coursework are kept secure and protected. Flexibility is also key when it comes to e-learning platforms, as the needs of your users can vary widely. UltaHost offers a range of hosting options including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting, so you can choose the option that best suits your budget and requirements. They also offer scalability, so your platform can grow and adapt to meet the needs of your users as your e-learning initiative expands. Performance is another important consideration when choosing a web hosting company for an e-learning platform. UltaHost's cutting-edge technology and fast servers ensure that your platform runs smoothly and efficiently, even when dealing with large amounts of data and high traffic levels. Finally, support is crucial when it comes to e-learning platforms. UltaHost's friendly and knowledgeable support team is available 24/7 to provide assistance and answer any questions you may have about your hosting account or e-learning platform. In conclusion, choosing a web hosting company for your e-learning platform requires careful consideration of a variety of factors, including reliability, security, flexibility, performance, and support. UltaHost provides all of these key considerations and more, making them the go-to choice for anyone looking to host an e-learning platform with the utmost confidence and success. Head to ultahost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.